Yeah man, life hard, you know. Positive changes. Positive change we bring about, you know. This is our little tiki bar, you know, natural setting, bamboo, you know, here. We hang out, can have a drink, you know, we have roots, we have bitters, you know. You can drink a beer also, drink a juice, kick back. Yeah, you know. True. Rastafari. You know. Want to pull them in? Not afraid. She's not afraid. She's not afraid. Like turtles.
So this is one of the kids' favorite spots, you know. So even after school you find out say right here so where the kids them just say a group of them just run in. And before they even reach home for come back alive, you have to get even part of the program. This is their favorite spot playing with the turtle, you see it. Yeah man, it's a joy when you watch them even water the farm, you know. And literally fight for the hose from a day to day just for even water the farm and just get the thing going. So it's a joy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man. You know it's the avocado tree is see, not too starting on the seeds there, but I still have some natural plantings that fall in the space, you know. Production really nice, really good in the set speed to see. Pineapple, aloe vera, everything. So normally here's upon a Saturday where the fire always burn during the day. You know, and this is where the Naya Bingi chanting go on a Saturday or any other day just to see me, because it's not just a Saturday, but it's people like go on for chant. And that's all a beautiful vibes. So what would I really just go and do some Naya Bingi chanting. It's all about a spiritual awakening and a spiritual rejuvenation in the same sense. So that's what Naya Bingi chant does, you know, it just kind of rejuvenate the spirit, rejuvenate the energy. So you still have to take time to rejuvenate thoughts and mind and conscious self, you know. So it's all about balancing with the spirituality. That's Naya Bingi, you know. It's an ancient art from the ancient frequency. So we do give thanks to that at all times, you know. Give thanks to the feminine energy, because that's who she is, you know. That's so this is the famous noni tree, where one of the most powerful healing medicine, and it have over 4,000 benefits. That's one of the medicines that we try to offer in life here as much as possible. So it have over 4,000 healing benefits. Help to rejuvenate the dead blood cells and revitalize all organs within the body. So that's the beauty about what it is, you know. So those things are some of the most beautiful essence that I and I is a part of. You see it? Yeah, man. So now we just normally take people on a walking tour, you know, let them see what life yard is all about. You know, let them feel the joy that we're feeling, you know, to share our natural space with them, and people respect it and they love it, you know. And now we take them back outside to the arts, where the arts are there, and we present some of the arts. I'm one of the artists that help to beautify the space just the same. So it's a really beautiful joy, it's a beautiful essence that we're actually offering out there, you know. Right here is more we just have the reasonings, you know. This is more a reason, essence, the reason down here. The balance, the art. These are some of the arts that I helped to contribute to the space, you know, to help beautify the space, you know. These are just some. This is actually done by a brethren of mine called Dan Art, in the same sense, you know. So I have to give thanks to all the artists and the participate. This was done by myself, you know. I think the most interesting part of this one is the words that I try to incorporate and allow one to see the vibration and feel the divine essence of what they're doing, you know. So, good morning. Good morning. Ah, go on. So this is just how we do it, you know. Man, it's just a joy, it's just a loving respect, you see.
Can't smile here, run more thing,
Hey,
Ah, go on.
love this video. You can't write, you can't see it.
When I
Can I
ever
see?
want to take picture.
Come now, come.
Look at them. Cool, right?
Come, Papi.
Morning, all right, good. Yeah, go inside. All good. Dada. Ah, boy. Now walk up in under there. John, no, take skin, take in your skin, sir. I don't know, more time for the morning time, you just come out and trouble the whole of them girl up on the road, you see me? Check them out. Late street guys.
Morning.
Kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's not like a gas that you plug in. It's not, you know what I mean? So it's like this.
Cool.
Yeah, so it's cool, you know what I mean? So it's like the trees. At a certain time they'll cut the trees and put it up like a mountain.
Right.
Yeah, throw dirt on it, bush and everything, and then take a space and push the fire inside of it. And then let it to burn for a couple of days. Well, you know what I mean? Some people left it for weeks and to get it well burned. It become like this. So when you light it, you do not let off smoke. Just burn naturally. And do not block up the pot. So this is the stove. This is like a car tire. You know, rim. Yeah, the tire go on cars. So yeah, so like this.
Good.
Little setting. So you can maybe refurbish still. You know what I mean? And set a different way, but with the same old-fashioned type of stuff to keep us back in the memories, you know what I mean? So we don't be like say we are going too fast and go with the world and everybody going technology. Because honestly, this is the more safe and healthier way, you know what I mean? Yeah, but through technology coming, people are just want fast thing and everybody is just attacked. So we plug in, you know what I mean? So that's part of the world. So that's why we drink medicine. I have medicine here in life here at the same time to can purge back ourselves from all of these toxic and all of these acidic stuff that we swallow daily. We will just purge up back ourselves. Same way. Yeah. Lifestyle.
You know, so that's how the magic happen, you know? So you don't know. Over there, so go ahead for steer the culture. Big up Ike Puma, big up Sean, the fingers them, you know? So the finger that means the man who have the spice in them fingers, you know? So it's a beautiful thing when we can use natural food and create different essence, you know, natural beans, natural things from the market, natural things from the garden when it's in season. So this is where it all happened, you know. We've been known and being rated as some of the best juice out there, some of the best food, you know, some of the best stews. Give thanks to everyone that is doing all of that constructive work just to see him creating and healthy food for people out there, you know. Big up me hungry just to see me. Big up all of the youths who have the Whitehall restaurants on every corner. You know, just go on doing the thing, see me. Just go on, do it, because doing it is all about doing it, you know. As I say, build field.
Look at
True, the pain and struggling we have to build field, you know what I mean? Yeah. No, I just want to hold it, you know what I mean? Like a trophy.